Welcome to your guided meditation practice for positive energy. I invite you to find a comfortable seat of your choosing. This could be a cross-legged seat, kneeling, or lying down on your back. Find a place of comfort and ease. Rest your hands on your thighs, palms facing up, as an invitation to receive that which will serve you well in the present moment. Fingers are soft and curl in slightly. Take a slow, cool breath in through your nose. And then as you breathe out, I invite you to close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. I invite you to turn your attention to your breath. Just following your breath as it travels into your body and then out. There's no need to change your breath. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. Your breath serves as an anchor, tethering you to the present moment. As you breathe in and out, I invite you to give your thinking mind a break. Thoughts may come and go as you sit here in stillness, and that is okay. Acknowledge the thoughts, letting them flow through you, and then return to your breath. Acknowledging that this is a practice. There's no need to master anything or control anything. Just simply be, whatever that means to you. I now invite you to think of a color that represents positive energy to you. Once you have that color in mind, imagine that color has transformed into a ball of energy right above your head. Visualize this ball of positive energy landing gently on top of your head. When this happens, the color begins to wash all over your body, starting with your head, then to your neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, to your torso, hips, glutes, and then eventually to your legs, feet, and toes. This color can be seen and felt all around you, wrapping you in a warm and loving embrace. Your body begins to glow, and perhaps in response to this, you smile a little, lifting the corners of your mouth. feeling and experiencing this positive energy surrounding you. As you breathe in and out, you notice that the color begins to seep into your mind. You begin to see images that bring you joy, a sense of peace, happiness, and positive vibes. This color that surrounds you begins to make its way to your heart space. Your heart gleams as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Your heart feels warm and full. As this positive energy fills your body, you begin to notice that tension and stressors start to leave your body. Each inhale fills your mind, body, and heart with positive energy. And on each exhale, you let go of something that doesn't serve, making space for the energy encompassing you. Take a slow and even breath in through your nose, and then a long breath out through your nose. You begin to notice the color taking shape again, transforming into a ball of color in front of your eyes. This energy is now a part of you, offering support, love, and healing whenever you need it. Every cell in your body vibrates with positive energy, serving as a reminder that you are not alone. Breathe in, breathe out. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Find some gentle movement with your neck, such as moving your head from side to side. Find some movement with your shoulders. And finally, thank yourself for showing up here today. Slowly begin to open your eyes. Take a quiet moment here to notice how you feel. It is my hope that this guided meditation practice for positive energy served you well. Take care. Namaste.